Some things about the Amazon rainforest that you have never heard before. Do you know that after the sea, there is the Amazon rainforest, which even scientists have not able to fully explore till that. This forest is a big mystery in itself. The Amazon forest is so dense that sunlight does not reach some parts of it. The area of this forest is so large that it can alone touches the border of 9 countries. And if you talk about the animals living in it, then this forest is home to even more dangerous animals like green anaconda.